Typical 99 to 03 replacements. Typical clear, got a little orange reflector in there. To take out the old headlights, you've got these little clips right down here that you guys can see. There's one there, there's one there, and then down past this clip, you're gonna have to reach along in the back side, or you can pull this little screw right here at the top and pull that out, and you can slide this out. And then there's two screws right down in here that pull these headlights out. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pop these clips out, get that screw taken out, slide this top one out, and then pull these two screws out. Whole thing comes out in one, and we're gonna get to